Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's recipe, I share with you how to make crunching buns. In a bowl, I'll add flour. Be sure to sieve the flour before use. Baking powder, nutmeg, salt, mix together. Add melted butter. In another bowl, I'll add sugar, eggs, whisk them together. Add the sugar and eggs. Evaporated milk. I'll add the zest of 1 lemon. You can use orange zest as well. Mix till they are well combined. The batter shouldn't be thick and it shouldn't be too light. It should be like what you can see in this video. Cover and leave it to rest for 10 minutes. While that is resting, heat up the oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll fry on medium heat. Flip the buns and allow them to fry. Once they are fried on one side, I'll flip them to the other side. Once the buns are golden brown, they are ready. I'll remove them from the hot oil. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I repeat this process until you are done. Transfer the fried buns into a strainer to take out any excess oil from the buns. Once the buns is cold, serve and enjoy. This buns was crunchy and they tasted very delicious. Will you be giving this recipe a try? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye!